did, yeah. See how quickly he was driving to it, right? It looked like looks like, yeah, he kind of skidded to it, yeah. Like, we didn't hear the skid, but he braked hard, yeah.
Yeah, he braked till it stopped.
Yeah. Come on, Mark. Another lady, I've got this on video. What time is it? 8:34. Okay. 2 videos, man. Yeah, 2 different people, man, doing what they shouldn't be doing, man.
Bro.
Yeah. Come on, man.
You shouldn't be
doing
getting
that.
out of your car.
2 videos I'm gonna upload to
Oh my
my
days.
YouTube channel and say, hey, you know, you put it up in the email saying, you know, parents aren't supposed to be doing this. If you want to do that, you can park up, man.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I'll see you after.